Hello everyone and welcome to our new offices. So we've been here half a year and I want to show you guys our new premises. So come along. And we will start our journey in the heart of the business, the warehouse. So over here we have Jonathan providing that service, and he is king of that service. But before anything leaves this building, we quadruple check everything. And here we have Frida, and she's queen of quality. And in here we have our nights of invention, but actually today it's only one night here. So here we have Michael, and he's inventing our new stuff for our business. And as you all see, it's a lot of open space area, but we also have a lot of offices where we can sit. And actually in here we have our marketing guru Susanna, and she's kind of everywhere, but right now she's behind the camera. So hello Susanna. And in here we have our super sales Mirja. She's always on the run, and whoops, here she goes again. Getting over to the kitchen area. And here we have our CEO, Jessika Broström, and she's making some coffee to keep the staff happy. She's also the spider in the web in keeping this company together. And of course, as you see, you can also have some meetings over here as well. So here we have Magnus. Hello. Continuing our journey. So. In here we see Russell and Malin. They are having a meeting and creating some great plans. International meeting, that's great. And that actually brings us to the end of our journey. So I want to thank you all for stopping by, and see you next time, and bye-bye. Have a great one. Ciao.